So this song is inspired by Michael Jackson and Jesus because Jesus created us, Jesus created Michael, and Jesus created the universe and the world that we are living. So let's bring back 1965, guys. 1965, guys. Okay, we're going to sing Michael Jackson's lyrics, but I don't know some of the lyrics. I really, I don't really memorize that lyrics. So we're just going to sing a little bit of the lyrics. Okay, just a half of the lyrics. I can't do it all. I cannot remember the beginning. So let's start. Beat it. First one. You better run, you better do what you can. Don't wanna see no blood, don't be a macho man. You wanna be tough, better do what you can. So beat it. But you wanna be bad, just beat it, beat it, beat it, beat it. Nobody wants to be defeated, no. Show me how funky, strong is your fight. It doesn't matter who's wrong or right, just beat it, just beat it. Okay, next song. Um, as she came into the window, aray ko yung sugat ko. Guys, I'm so sorry. I'm having something. Um, it's like a sugat or a scar. Oh, as she came into the window, as she came into the window, and the strong face was a window. As she left in the bloodstains on the carpet, and I you okay. So, ano you okay? Hindi ko kabisado. Next song. So, Thriller. Thriller, Thriller night. Girl, I can thrill you more than any gold would ever dare try. Thriller, Thriller night. Cause, cause I can thrill you more than any gold would ever dare try. Guys, hindi ko talaga kabisado. I don't know the lyrics, so bye guys.